Hello viewers, I am Ocr and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox and review Apple Pencil first generation. So without further ado, let's get started. Cheers. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of Apple Pencil first generation. It supports all the iPads with lightning connector, and here is the pricing information that is written as 8,500 rupees. So now let me unwrap the packaging. So now let me unbox the packaging, and the first compartment is here. So here we get designed by Apple in California, and let's see what do we get inside this compartment. So first we are getting accessory packaging. These two accessories, we will come back to this later on. And next we are getting some documentation and Apple Pencil logo. So now let's see what accessories do we get. So we first get this and then this. So we are getting a lightning to lightning connector to charge the Apple Pencil through your lightning cable, and here we are getting a second Apple Pencil tip as a replacement for the first one. Now let's see how is the main thing, that is the Apple Pencil itself, and it's covered in some kind of plastic. And let me remove the covering first. So it's made out of glossy plastic, and here is a tape. So tape is made out of matte plastic, and here is the original sensor. Here is the sensor itself, and let me put it back. Now at the back here is Apple Pencil written over the glossy finish, and here is the lightning connector to charge this Apple Pencil through your iPad. And as I said, the build quality is quite good, made out of good quality of plastic. Now let me connect this. So here is a Bluetooth pairing request for this, and now I'm pairing this, and some kind of welcome to Apple Pencil triggers, and it says that try Scribble, the new feature of iPadOS 14. And you can see Apple Pencil is connected over here. So now I can use this Apple Pencil as an active stylus for this iPad. And for your information, I'm using iPad 6th generation for this video. So yes, now let me see. Oops. So here is the charging indicator and the battery information. So now let's see the things which Apple Pencil can't do. So Apple Pencil can't trigger the control center or even the notification panel, or you can't go to home, and the home screen gesture is not also supported by the Apple Pencil. Now absolutely you can write anything, and it has the tilt sensor, that is very good, and it does also have the pressure sensor, which is also very good. Here you can see, and you can use the scale to write any straight lines, to draw any straight lines rather. And it has a new feature on iPadOS 14 that's called the perfect shape. Here I'm drawing a star, and it's turning my imperfect shapes to a perfect one. Here is a perfect example of that, and here I'm drawing a square and it's just perfecting it. And now here is a new feature called Ocr Scribble, and what I am really writing, it's turning into a text. So here I'm writing like and subscribe, and it's literally turning it into a text. And now instead of typing, you can scribble on the websites. Like here I am just writing YouTube, and YouTube comes over. So you don't have to use a keyboard or any virtual keyboard. You can just use your Apple Pencil to surf the web, which is very good. So this Apple Pencil can't charge magnetically because it has a lightning connector. You have to put it to the lightning port of your iPad to charge this, or to just connect it. Now let's see the main purpose of this Apple Pencil. So the first is note taking. Absolutely, you can take very good notes, you can draw things very good. And now really with Scribble you can browse the web with Apple Pencil. That is quite fun and quite productive. And the iPadOS 14 brings some new features like shape and OCR and Scribble, which are really good, and the Apple Pencil is now more productive than ever. And here is a new trick. Just slide your Apple Pencil from the corner of your iPad to the middle of your iPad, and it will take a quick screenshot. So is it not handy? And if it's good, then just like the video. So that's it for today, guys, and do let me know in the comment section that what do you think about this Apple Pencil first generation. And hope you like the video. Then press the like button and share this video as much as possible. Subscribe our channel NEX TECH for more quality and interesting tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I know that this video falls far behind the NEX TECH quality video because I was in some kind of study pressure. So stay tuned, we will meet soon. Bye bye.